Hi everyone, today I'm going to bring you along as I make my lunch. Today I'm going to be making tandoori chicken, which is going to be baked, and some potato wedges. So without further ado, let's get started. I've sliced the chicken to the bone, so this is going to help the spices or the marinade to soak into the chicken. So I have 2 pieces of chicken. Also, I have a few spices, not a few. There are around 6 spices. So I have paprika, garlic powder, turmeric, garam masala, coriander, ground coriander, and cumin powder. And over here I have some salt. And also I have some natural yogurt. Don't use any flavored yogurt. So I'm going to start off by adding my yogurt in my bowl. Next, add the seasoning, salt. Then I'm going to mix so that the seasoning can be combined with the yogurt. When everything is combined, I'm going to add in my chicken. Coat the chicken with the marinade. Make sure the top and the bottom of the chicken is coated with the marinade because you want the chicken to be so flavorful. Make sure each corner of the chicken is fully coated with the marinade. Once done, I'm going to let my chicken soak up the marinade for at least 1 hour, and if you have time, you can let the chicken marinate overnight. It's been around 1 hour and now I'm going to be baking my chicken or roasting my chicken. So to pair with my chicken, I'm going to be making potato wedges. So what I did, I chopped up my potatoes and then I cut in half and then into quarters. That is going to give you potato wedges. So to my wedge, I'm going to add in some paprika and garlic powder. Next, I'm going to add in some black pepper. You'll find everything listed in the description box down below, so check the ingredients out. And some salt. You need to season your potatoes. Next, I'm going to be adding some oil, around 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Once done, I'm going to coat my potatoes with the spices. You can use your hands, you can use a spatula, whatever you're okay with. Make sure all the potatoes are coated with the paprika, with the seasoning. Once done coating the potatoes with the seasoning, I'm going to keep this aside and then I'm going to pick up my baking tray. I want to place chicken on half of the baking tin and the other side my potato wedges. So I'm going to make a boat which I'm going to place my chicken. Once done, I'm going to check on my chicken, which has been marinating and soaking up all this goodness. So I'm going to pick up my chicken and then I'm going to let the excess marinade drip. Place my chicken on my foil, just like that. That is how it's looking. And then now on this other side, I'm going to place potato wedges for 2. Make sure the potatoes are placed in a single layer so that they can bake evenly. Once done and your oven is already preheated, you'll bake this chicken for around 35 to 40 minutes. My chicken is ready. I'll place this on my stove top, and then while that cools, I'm going to be making some coriander and yogurt dip or sauce. So over here I have 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt, some coriander, and 1 lemon. So to my yogurt, I'm going to add some coriander and squeeze about a tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix together until combined. And my sauce is ready. I've already served my tandoori chicken with potato wedges, and it's looking absolutely delicious. I'm drooling. So this is 1 serving. So I've paired my chicken with some broccoli and cauliflower and some sauce. Yeah, so I'm going to enjoy having my lunch, and I hope you try out this amazing and simple recipe.